My team's purpose is to connect people with data and technology. We do that at scale across 19 plus regions. And at the heart of that is reservoir and base management, where we have a core focus on improving our gas portfolio while reducing our carbon emissions.
A lot of what we're doing is really prediction and classification. It could be up to 19 years cycle from going out and exploring potentially a new field to drilling your first well. There's a huge amount of commercial decisions that are made of predictions in their life cycle. If you can rapidly speed that up, that opens up huge opportunities.
Before the workflow that we had in place, each region of the world was working in a completely different way.
One of the first things we did was we took the solution and we put it onto the Azure cloud. And then we started to compile the data, cleanse the data. In parallel to that, we started to build our machine learning model.
Now we have a standard procedure. Everybody works the same way. AutoML improved my daily work as a data scientist. It actually facilitates, so I don't need to think about different algorithms and research what I need to test. It tests everything for me.
For Microsoft Automated Machine Learning, we're looking at building 9,000 parallel models. That type of build is just not possible without automated machine learning. For example, ML pipelines, we can plug that into Azure DevOps, and some of the advanced telemetry that Microsoft are bringing out, for example, data drift analysis. It's essentially a few extra lines of code to instantiate the SDK in a notebook for a data scientist. We were able to make prediction outcomes and then explain those predictions and look at the uncertainty and the sensitivity analysis around using those predictions in commercial decisions.
Being able to use the machine learning model to predict the recovery factor down to seconds. We've seen both cost savings but improved decisions.
The business is going through enormous digital transformation, and that requires much more sophisticated software to allow people to move to much higher value tasks.
As a company, it's allowing us to open up opportunities that we never knew existed.